Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Windows Terminal fonts for Powerline step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Go to GitHub and navigate to the Powerline fonts repository. In the repository, locate the releases section. Click on the latest release link to access the font files. Download the zip file containing the fonts to your computer. Once the download is complete, find the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. Choose a destination folder and extract the contents. Open the folder containing the extracted files. Select all the font files you wish to install. Right-click on the selected font files and choose Install. After installation, open Windows Terminal. Access the settings by clicking on the down arrow next to the tabs. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, locate the Profiles section. Choose the profile you want to customize, such as PowerShell or Command Prompt. Scroll down to the Appearance section. Find the Font Face option and enter the name of the Powerline font you installed. Click Save to apply your changes. Close the Settings window and restart Windows Terminal. Your Powerline fonts should now be visible in the terminal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.